Alright guys, so before we begin this one, give a shout out to the Average Handlebar, YouTube buddy of mine. So yeah, go check out his videos, and if you like them, tell him that Wild Wolf sent you in the comments. Alright, here we go with our newest video.
Alright, so trying something new today. Jasmine ordered these Tootsie Rolls, Fruities, I don't know, a while back. A few months ago. She got like, 3 to 5 pound bag, and she's sick of eating them, so I'm like, I just grabbed 2 flavors out of them.
Go 7.
And
we're
gonna do like a moonshine kind of thing, you know. So we got sour cherry and grape, because we know how well the grape Jolly Rancher went over. Woo! We'll give her the whirl on this.
I know it's bedtime.
Well, don't overdo it on this time. That's probably
I'm going
good.
up to 8, which is 1 cup.
Okay.
1 cup of Everclear, because we're becoming pussies. Look at that. I could go all out and make more.
All right, to the
so
grape.
So do you want me to add all grape, or do you still want some Sprite
Well, let's
in it?
see what it looks like.
What do you mean? Am I filling
Dump
this
it
up?
in. All right, so we're just using some grape crush. Well, yeah, just use the whole bottle. Perfect. All right, so that's the grape one. And for the
I'll use black cherry, I guess.
cherry one, we'll just use some black cherry. That's sour cherry. And
sour cherry mixed with some of the black cherry. So we'll see.
all right, again, and like the Jolly Rancher stuff, we'll just let this stuff it's full. We'll just let this sit in the fridge for a couple weeks, maybe a week or so, and we'll see what it tastes like. 'Cause it'll take a while for that stuff to dissolve. So.
And of course, don't forget to randomly shake it. But I'm not gonna shake
Don't
them
shake
right
it
away.
today.
Not even gonna put the covers on tight right away yet.
Because last time it exploded it on us.
That was a good time.
So, yeah, if your life isn't interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. And these will
Those are almost similar in color. You got a marker?
Yeah, somewhere. Life isn't interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. And, yeah, we'll see how this stuff tastes in about a week. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. And, yeah, hit that bell. And make sure you guys go check out the Average Handlebar. All right, later.